Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you step by step on how to schedule a COVID vaccine appointment at CVS. Vaccination is an important step in protecting yourself and your community, so let's get started. Step 1. Visit the CVS website. Open your preferred web browser and go to the official CVS website at www.cvs.com. Step 2. Navigate to the vaccine section. Once you're on the homepage, look for the menu at the top, click on COVID-19 vaccine, or use the search bar to find the vaccine scheduling section. Step 3. Check availability. After clicking on the vaccine link, you will see an option to schedule an appointment. Click on this button to continue. You may be prompted to enter your zip code to check for nearby locations that offer the vaccine. Step 4. Select your location. CVS will display a list of available stores near your zip code. Choose the CVS location that is most convenient for you by clicking the Select button next to it. Step 5. Choose your appointment date and time. Next, you will be given options for available dates and times for your vaccination. Click on the date you prefer, then choose a time slot that works for you. Step 6. Enter your information. You will need to fill out some personal information, including your name, date of birth, email address, and phone number. Make sure to provide accurate information, as you will receive confirmation details via email. Step 7. Review your appointment. Before finalizing your schedule, review the details of your appointment to ensure everything is correct. Check the date, time, and location once more. Step 8. Confirm your appointment. Once you're satisfied with the details, click the Confirm button to officially schedule your appointment. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after. Step 9. Prepare for your appointment. Remember to bring your ID and insurance information if applicable. Arrive a bit early to allow time for any paperwork. Step 10. Get vaccinated. Finally, attend your appointment and get vaccinated. Make sure to follow any post-vaccination guidelines provided by the staff. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful content. Stay safe and healthy.